There are limited supported country for TikTok creativity program. So we're going to be looking into these countries, and if you are from one of the country, then it means you can actually start making money from the TikTok account. And if you are not part of the listed country, or you don't locate to in one of the country listed in the TikTok creativity program, then there are some other ways in which people are actually doing it where you can create a TikTok account within the listed supported country. But then most people or most creators are not really telling you the reason behind this thing. And at the end of the day, will you be able to withdraw your money after you have made money with that account? So we're going to be looking into that in this video. I'm going to share you the little experience I have about this. And I believe at the end of this video, you agree with me that this is actually true, because this is exactly the issue that people are actually facing out there, where they are not from the listed they are not from the country listed for the TikTok creativity program, but then they are trying to make use of VPN to create TikTok account in another country that is listed on TikTok for creativity program. And then at the end of the day, after making some money with that your TikTok account, for you to be able to withdraw that money will be very, very hard, because the details they're going to ask from you to verify, such as your ID, your location, or proof of address, and other stuff, you may not be able to provide it. And if you are not able to provide this, then you won't be able to withdraw the money you have earned. And along the line, when you're trying to upload content and you're not from that particular country you created your TikTok in, TikTok is not going to promote your content to the right people. They might be promoting your content within the original country you actually from, and that will definitely affect your TikTok account, because it won't keep growing, and then the views will be very, very minimal. Now, let's say you're actually paying someone to create content for you for your TikTok account, then that means you will be at loss at the end of the day. So these are the countries that are listed for the TikTok creativity program. So, and these are the eligibility requirements, which of course, TikTok requests from you before you can actually start making money from your TikTok account. So you can see, to be eligible for the TikTok Creator Reward Program, you must be at least 18 years old. You have at least 10,000 followers, then minimum of 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days, and have a personal account that is in good standing. Business accounts are not accepted. Abide by the TikTok community guidelines. Be located in a region where the TikTok Creator Reward Program beta is available. Currently, the USA, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the UK. TikTok plans to bring the program to more region in the future. But then, as of now, when I'm making this video, TikTok is only available in these six countries. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, it's only available in these seven countries. So people that are not located in any of these countries, trying to use VPN to create a TikTok account in the United States, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and UK. And at the end of the day, if you're not located in one particular country, definitely you won't have much details about that particular country, such as your ID and proof of address. You might not actually have that. So this way, you won't be able to verify your TikTok account, so that they'll be able to send the payment from your TikTok account to you. So, and they won't also promote your content. So there is this guy that used to talk about TikTok creativity program, and his own plan was the fact that he is not interested in making money through the TikTok creativity program, but using the affiliate program, whereby he include an affiliate link in his bio on TikTok, and then once people find that link out, maybe they are interested in it, they're gonna click on that link and make a purchase. and he will earn a commission. So just like affiliate marketing stuff. And that method also work for him because he's in health niche and he promotes health product on his TikTok creativity account, and it's actually working for him. So if you can also follow that same method, probably that will also work for you. But if you are just solely interested in making money through the TikTok creativity program reward, then that might not actually work for you if you are not in any of these listed countries. So this is all I have for you in this video. And if you have any questions regarding this TikTok creativity program, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you.